Gethsemane, counting the raindrops of memory. Whispers of time keep surrounding me, writing the pages of history. The walls rise high, but my spirit hangs low. Walking through fields I never did sow, reaping the harvest of pain that I know, gathering fruits I never did grow. The silence explodes like a thunderous sound. Echoes of truth keep spinning round, searching for strength where peace can be found, trying to stand on shaking ground. When time cannot heal, deep in the heart the wounds still reveal. Love like a fire that burns what you feel. The deeper the bond, the deeper you feel. I'm just an island slowly drifting away, lost in the shadows of yesterday, holding the echoes that faded to gray, chasing the ghost of yesterday. Like a dream that vanished and barely exists, fading like smoke in the midnight mist. The salt of the earth from the tears that I cried,